Wait, wait, wait. We can't just start like that with a day in my life vlog. This is not YouTube. What? We can do whatever we want? Oh. Okay, cool. So, today I'm going to take you... Hello, I was just using the wrong camera. Welcome to this new class. This class I'm going to take you out with me for lunch because I need something to draw and we are going to draw our lunch. I wanted to do it this way because art is part of life, at least for me. It doesn't always happen in the studio. Not all of us have a studio. Not all of us even have a specified desk for doing art. Most of us use the dinner table. I use it for most of my life. So I wanted to take it with me, make it and show it that it is part of my life. And then later we will go back to the studio and draw our lunch. Cool? Also, you might be thinking, if you were going to put a hat on, why did you bother fixing your head all the time at home? Why indeed? But a bit of update about what we are going to do. We have 2 more stops before lunch. We are going to go and get me a new hoodie because this is a new class. I need a new hoodie. And after that, I need a haircut for the new class. And before going into the studio, I will have a new cut and you will come with me. And then we will have lunch. We are having ramen today. It's always beautiful to draw. I think all the Japanese food is very aesthetically pleasing. So I chose ramen. We will have ramen. And then later we will head back to the studio. Okay? Another thing is, we are in Warsaw. I'm from Warsaw. It's November, towards the end of November. And it's cold already. And I've been waiting for a few days for a sunny day to shoot this, but it wasn't coming, so it's this cloudy day. Of course, it was Jack's idea to do this class vlog style in the middle of winter. It's freezing outside and it doesn't look pleasing at all. And I think if I didn't have to, I wouldn't step outside today, but here we are. That's the Warsaw Tower now, the tallest building followed. It is so windy, it's like it hurts. So, thanks Jack. Thank you very much. And that's our sculpture area. If you watch my other classes, then maybe you know that this is my favorite building in Warsaw. And we are going there, to Watercolors, to do some shopping. Jack. Perfect day for outdoor shooting. Where are the hoodies? That's a nice t-shirt. I need a green one. This is nice, but not sure. That was unnecessary. I found the color I was looking for until I saw this. Why? Let's try and see if this is the one. Jack, I need a size bigger. I think this is the one. I need a dark green to complete my plain wolf. So let's go and pay. I'm late, of course, I'm always late, but I realized something. If you are late enough, like so many times, your late becomes on time. Because once I made it to my hairdresser on time, he wasn't ready for me. He was sure that I was ready. So now to the hairdresser. Okay, now that's done. Hairdresser is done, as you can see. Now it's time for ramen. Let's go and get some lunch and have something to draw, shall we? Jack, can we fix the weather? Jack, don't get on this bus. Jack, get off this bus right now. Jack. All I said was if he thinks he sees any future in this assisting business, because, you know, you need to do some assisting to be an assistant. Such a trouble. Jack, you did it. The weather changed. Oh, he's gone. Okay, now we are almost there. I will go now and have ramen by myself because Jack left. And after that, off to the studio. Let's see. Let's go and eat ramen. Now I ordered my ramen. Show you to flow it and wait. Let's see how it's gonna look like. Wow, I'm full. Ramen is such a good food, but also it's so tiring. There's so many things to do and eating with chopsticks. Even though I can do that, I always find it very tiring and it's difficult to keep it splashing on yourself. Even though I tried very hard, I didn't manage perfectly, and that's why I didn't put my hoodie on. The hoodie is waiting for the studio. Now we had our lunch, we have the photo, so let's go to the studio and draw. Let's go. And we are back in the studio. Now I'm gonna switch to the overhead camera and we're gonna start sketching our ramen bowl. Cool? Jack, switch to the overhead camera. Come on, chop chop.